Hi, this is Nathalie from 9.arrow from the Netherlands, and as you may know, we are doing a challenge in the Facebook group from well, 9.arrow, but also in Cara Brandon's Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, and in HCC from Tabitha, and we are running the collab using the Lavender and Lace Kit. It's a collaboration with Cara Brandon and Line.arrow. We made a kit together. She has 16 pages in her shop, and I have 16 pages in my shop. And the challenge was, it was for 3 weeks, but next week we can still finish the project, so don't rush. But it was for 3 weeks, and it was making an envelope, folio, or a folio. And I made a chunky monkey because it's extremely, I'm not sure if I can get it in frame. I think this is better, but I had an altered book. I had a book and I took some pages out and I turned it into some sort of folio. I have videos on how I made it, but I have to be honest, this week I didn't had a chance to video because, well, a lot of things happened in my private life, and I'm not going to bore you with it, but I can solve it, but I couldn't solve it in 1 week, so I didn't have time to record anything. But I did manage to finish the journal yesterday. I worked until midnight yesterday, and today I did the final touches, and now it's actually done. But this is the front part. I have a video on how I made the cover, and actually you see me ink the cover also, because it was originally in green, like you can see, green gray. This is the back side. This is the closure, and there are bits and pieces sticking out. But let's do the flip through, and as soon as I open this closure, you can see it's open. But yeah, it's a fun journal. I really enjoyed making it. I love the papers and they go so well together, and I love Cara's bits and pieces, especially the little type thingies. I really enjoyed working with it. So yeah, let's dive in. I did leave the front pages as it is, but I did add this picture that was actually in the book. I thought it would look nice with the purple, and I added some bits and pieces from the kit as if it was some sort of washi tape. I didn't put anything on here. I wanted to put something on here, but it was already so bulky, so I stopped. I thought maybe somebody can put a picture or anything in it. So, oh, there are pieces of paper in it. These are 3 little envelopes that are attached on elastic binding. You can't take them off, but you can take out all the little cards. And I think I made this on camera, if I'm correct. And on top there's a little, not sure if you can see, little beads with little lace bows. And this flips over to this side, and over here we have the little booklet. A tag on the back, and here I have more of the pages from the kit. And the only thing I added off camera are these 2 buttons. Oh, I have to cut this little string. And this goes in here. And it closes with a little clip. So this flips open. This is a little tag. I think I made this on camera too. I'm not sure anymore, but I have a playlist, Lavender and Lace, and there you can see me make things. This is an envelope, and it has a top pocket, but there's nothing in, so that needs to be filled. I have these tags. Put them in here. I glued 3 tags on here, so you can still write over here. This is a side tuck, and yet nothing is in. It's an envelope, a pocket, and a tag with a little pocket and a little ephemera piece in it. Over here we have, this is printed on tracing paper, pages from the kit, another page from the kit, some music paper. I turned tracing paper into small pockets. There's a tag inside, another piece of tracing paper, and this can be taken out. It's binded with an elastic binding. I usually use elastic binding. I can't remember that I ever sewed in a signature for, I think it was the last time was in 2018, I think. So this can be taken out. And over here we have a side pocket, and I have this altered envelope. Well, yeah, it's an envelope. It looked like a coin envelope, but still it is an envelope. And over here we have these tucked in here, little journal cards. This is glued down. This is a journal card. It goes in here. And here we have a small envelope. And it opens up like this and like this. Here's a writing spot. Here we have all the little tickets, bits and pieces, a ticket, and 3 little tickets over here. 2 tickets and a stamp actually. This is still empty. You can put something in here. This flips up. You can write on this side. Then we have 2 journal cards in here. This goes open. You can write here. And this is a tuck spot for 2 of the tags. And I use the same fabric as I use on the closure of the journal. So this flips this way. In here we have the small booklet. We made this together on camera. I don't think I add anything off camera. No, I did not. The only thing I put in were little journal cards. And I think I put this one in. The other things are still the same. Coffee dyed papers inside. So that's another area you can write. And it goes like so. And over here we have the envelope flippy thingy. Little pieces of ephemera in here. And you saw me make this on camera. I think this was actually the last video I did. An envelope with 2 little journal cards and also some writing places in here. This goes in here. And little tickets in here. And you can close it. Then we have all the little pockets over here, and all these tags go in here. Then I made a printed on vellum envelope, and I used a strip of the papers. I think it's from Cara, yeah, Cara collage papers, or mine, I don't know anymore. This is just a piece of scrapbook paper I have left and I liked it, so I put it in. And I have an altered envelope, inked and decorated, and that's in here too. Also put it like so. Maybe that's nicer. Over here there's a pocket with nothing in it. I have tickets over here, a tag over here. This opens and the other ticket is here, and then we have all the tags in here. These go in here, and here I have all the little tickets that are tucked in here. Over here, not sure if you can see, yeah, you can see a tag in here. I have a tag in here. I have a little coin envelope in here and a tag in here and another small tag in here. So this closes, and over here I have a tag, and I also made a little notebook. So that closes like this, and it's in here together with the tag. This opens, and here is a tag. This is a self-made tag. I have a tag here and another tag. And we have this little card, another tag, and a collage tag over here. And I used everything from the kit. The only thing I didn't use are the freebies that are the same as the Tim Holtz die. I wanted to use that die before I knew they were on the freebies to put in here, but I didn't do that because I had to glue them over here like on this page, and I didn't want to do that. I could have glued them over here, but like I said, it's already so very bulky. So yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is. But this is the folio I made, the Lavender and Lace folio. And yeah, I've seen so many pretty beautiful, extreme, mind-blowing projects. It was and still is a lot of fun to see all your makings. You see, it's not closed, it's still an alligator mouth. But yeah, this is the journal I made. And for those of you who are still joining in with the challenge, I will not do the giveaway in my group, at least, before next weekend. So you still have the whole week, and I might even take it to half next week, not upcoming week, but half next week, before I do the actual drawing, because I want everybody to finish as good as possible. Well, as if it's possible to finish the project, everybody, then I will give them extra time. Yeah, this is it. Oh, I really like my dangle with the little bells, although you don't hear the bells. You don't make, yeah, they do, but not very. It's not like I usually have more bells on the charms, but yeah, this is what it is. I didn't have more purple beads. This is all I have. Yeah, this is the flip through, and I hope to see more of your work. And I try to catch up on the videos and everything on the Facebook group. And I'm really sorry if I didn't comment on somebody's post, but I'm trying my best to see everything and to take it in and to actually comment. But I am a little bit behind. But I will catch up. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.